Hello guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Blink with Sush. I'm so happy to be back again with my new video, and this is going to be today's look. Yes, now this is not any hairstyle that I created. I just randomly tied a knot because I wanted to shoot this video and I was feeling really hot. Moving on, today's look is not, I don't want to give any specific look name because I have mixed up everything. So it's a like Indian but still Western. So you can carry out this look in your wedding party and as a wedding guest. So I have worn my off-shoulder top, so it's not any Indian, and I have worn oxidized Indo-Western necklace. So you know, I have mixed up everything, and look at my paints. It's like totally contrast. It's neon green, so I didn't think that I'm going to create this look, and I was not able to match my nail prints. Anyways, one of the foremost thing that I want to tell is whenever you do a makeup, whenever you wear your outfit, just carry that confidently and you can always kill that look. The confidence is the thing that makes everything perfect. You can also carry this look for parties, for weddings. You can carry the outfit with saris, salwar suit, dress, anything you want. This is like, it's going to go for every look. This look has golden glitters and black smoky. I have made it a cat eye and smoked it out. So it's Indian. Plus I have given an Arabic touch, that pointed thing kind of thing here and here. So it's a mix of Indian, Western and Arabic look. Yeah, so I hope you like the look, and thank you so much for taking out your valuable time and watching my video. I'm so grateful to you guys for encouraging me. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you like the video, do share this video to your loved ones, to your family, to your sisters, to your friends, to everyone. Okay guys, thank you so much. Let's start the video. Now I'm starting my makeup with my skin preparation, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. After moisturizing my face, I'm going to prime my face and then start my makeup. First, I'm applying concealer for my pigmentation, dark circle and all my pimple marks, whatever I have. And we'll blend it with the beauty blender. After concealing, I'm going to use foundation. This is Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Matte Foundation. Now I'm blending my foundation. After foundation, I'm going to apply the MAC Studio Compressed Foundation Powder. Yes guys, it's a foundation powder. After the base makeup, I'm going back to my eyebrows, brushing it and filling all the spars and gap area of my eyebrows and making it in a proper shape. Today I'm filling my eyebrows with a brown eyeshadow. Having said that, I used to always do it dark brown, but today I'm going to do light brown. So you can see the difference. Now this is the Huda Beauty Beautiful Eyeshadow Palette. Now I'm going to use henna from the eyeshadow. Its name is henna. So I'm applying this henna beautiful brown shade and making a crease and blending it till I'm satisfied. Again, taking the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm going to apply this Gold Beautiful eyeshadow. This is known as 24 karat, the name of the eyeshadow color. And again, I'm taking a black eyeshadow. It's known as Black Tunnel maybe, yeah. So I'm taking that Black Tunnel eyeshadow and then putting it on the outer corner, giving a little catty eye look. First, I'm depositing the color, and then I took a different eyeshadow, blending eyeshadow brush, and then I'm blending with that brush. I'm just diffusing the edges so that it does not look harsh. Now coming to the eyeliner part, first I took out a wing and then I'm going in inner corner to drag the eyeliner. You also can try this technique. This technique is the best technique.
I have also used white kajal in my waterline, that is from myglam, and I have finished the eye look with the help of silver glitter eyeliner with that pointed thing coming out and a coat of mascara. Now I'm contouring my face with the same powder brush, just putting a finger inside and giving it a fan kind of shape, and wherever it's required I'm contouring. I'm contouring my nose, the bridge of the nose. Now the blush time. Just smile and apply the blush on your cheek. Now my favorite part that adds the glamour on my makeup, that's the highlight. Now also to the guys who feel like they don't have a highlighter, you don't need to have a highlighter palette. You can always take a silver or gold eyeshadow and put it in your tips of the finger, and you can apply in, take a very little amount, you can apply it as a highlighter. Finishing my makeup with the lipstick, that is lip liner of Pro Arte and the Makeup Fixer. And here is my final look. Now by then you guys might know that I love taking pictures, so after makeup I do take a lot of pictures, and after my makeup tutorial video I put lots of pictures so that I can enjoy and you guys can enjoy the pictures as well. So I hope you all liked my this look. Yeah, and enjoy the video guys.